What if I told you the trades you think are winning were never meant for you? That the market is not designed to reward you, but to trap you again and again. Dramatic close-up of liquidity grabs, stop-loss hunts, price manipulation clips. The truth? You're not trading against people. You're trading against institutions, algorithms, and strategies built with billions of dollars. And today, I'll show you exactly how they operate. Welcome to Rise from Zero, the channel where underdogs learn the secrets the top 1% keep hidden. Today, we're diving deep into smart money trading secrets, the blueprint institutions use to dominate the Forex market, and how you can finally stop their liquidity. A contrast between retail traders failing versus smart money trades playing out perfectly. If you've ever felt like the market moves right against you and then rockets in your direction after you're stopped out, you're not crazy. You're just not on the smart money side yet. Chessboard overlay on a candlestick chart. Retail traders play checkers. Institutions play chess. While you're looking for MACD crosses, they're analyzing global liquidity pools and retail behavior. Did you know that over 90% of traders lose money within 90 days? Why? Because they trade what they see. Institutions trade what people believe they see. It's a game rigged against the masses, but not against everyone. The smart money knows the rules, and they're playing an entirely different game. Pool of water labeled liquidity. Big hands scooping from it, while small traders drown. Smart money doesn't enter where the price looks good. They enter where you would. They hunt your stop losses. They need your loss to fund their win. Think of it like this. If price is a river, then liquidity is the current beneath it. And the big fish don't swim where it's calm. They swim where it's turbulent, where most retail orders gather. This is why understanding liquidity is crucial. It's the real currency of the market. Price breaking a resistance level, then snapping back down hard. Ever chased a breakout, only to get caught in a fake out? That's not bad luck, it's engineered. Institutions create fake bullishness to induce buying, then reverse the market to fill sell orders at better prices. These are called liquidity grabs, and they're not accidents. They're blueprint moves. Market makers create the illusion of breakouts to trap unsuspecting traders. It's a carefully orchestrated dance designed to separate you from your money. Zooming from monthly to weekly to 15M chart with annotations. Retail traders zoom in. Smart money zooms out. Before placing a trade, institutions analyze from the monthly chart all the way to the minute chart, searching for major liquidity zones, inefficiencies, and premium versus discount areas. They're not just looking at the next candle. They're planning moves weeks or even months in advance. If this is opening your eyes, hit that subscribe button now. This is the kind of content they never teach in trading courses. Price action unfolding like a book with chapters labeled accumulation, manipulation, distribution. The market follows a 3-act structure: accumulation, manipulation, distribution. They first accumulate positions quietly, then manipulate the market to fake retail sentiment. Finally, they distribute their orders against the crowd. Most traders get in during manipulation and get crushed. Smart traders enter before the story turns. The market is a narrative, and smart money controls every chapter. Price bouncing from clearly marked discount zone. Retail FOMOing mid-move. Institutions don't chase price. They let price come to them. Every market has a premium zone where they sell and a discount zone where they buy. Retail traders chase prices in the middle. Smart money waits. That patience, that's the real edge. They understand the power of premium and discount zones, and they use them to their advantage. Flowchart showing liquidity map bias confirmation entry. Retail asks, when do I enter? Smart money asks, where are they trapped? Entry is the result of confluence, liquidity zones, market structure, institutional order flow, and timing. The trade was planned 2 to 3 time frames ago. Your entry is just the execution. For smart money, entry is the last step, not the first. They've already mapped out the entire trade before they even consider pressing the buy or sell button. Calm, confident background. Smart money trading montage with quotes like, think like a bank. You've just seen behind the curtain, and once you see it, you can't unsee it. This is the game smart money plays. And now, you've been given the playbook. But remember, knowing isn't enough. You must apply. Watch this video again. Take notes. Share it with someone who's still trading in the dark. The market is a battlefield, and you've just been handed the enemy's strategy. It's time to turn the tables. Smart money trading isn't just about technical analysis or fundamental research. It's about understanding the psychology of the masses and the motivations of the big players. It's about seeing the market for what it really is, a complex system designed to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient, from the emotional to the disciplined. When you start to think like smart money, you stop falling for the traps. You stop chasing breakouts and start anticipating them. You stop getting shaken out by volatility and start using it to your advantage. You stop being the prey and start becoming the predator. But this transformation doesn't happen overnight. It requires a complete shift in mindset. You need to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading and start seeing the market through the eyes of the institutions. You need to stop thinking in terms of individual trades and start thinking in terms of probabilities and risk management. The smart money doesn't gamble. They don't hope. They don't pray for profits. They calculate. They plan. They execute with precision. And now, you have the blueprint to do the same. Imagine being able to spot liquidity grabs before they happen. Imagine knowing exactly where the market is likely to reverse, not because of some indicator, but because you understand where the big players need price to go. Imagine trading with the confidence that comes from truly understanding the game you're playing. This is the power of smart money trading secrets. It's not about getting rich quick. It's about building a sustainable edge in a market that's designed to crush the unprepared. It's about joining the ranks of the elite traders who consistently profit year after year, regardless of market conditions. But here's the thing. This knowledge comes with responsibility. Once you see how the game is really played, you can't go back to your old ways of trading. You can't keep making the same mistakes and expect different results. You have to commit to mastering these concepts, to practicing them religiously, to becoming the trader you've always known you could be. So what's your next move? Are you going to go back to trading the same old way, hoping for different results? Or are you ready to step up, to learn the secrets of the smart money, and to finally start trading on the right side of the market? The choice is yours. But remember, every day you spend trading without this knowledge is another day you're donating your hard-earned money to the institutions. It's time to stop being the victim and start being the victor. Subscribe now and join thousands of traders who've decided to stop donating their money to the market and rise from zero. This is your chance to rewrite your trading story, to finally achieve the success you've been chasing. Don't let another day go by without this crucial knowledge. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and get ready to trade like the smart money. Your future self will thank you.